एक पंखड़ी गुलाब की, मशहूर कर दे जिसकी खुशबू, छू लेने से जिसको। What do you mean no? I feel it's very luxe. और शुरू में जरा पोएटिक होना अच्छा लगेगा. Bad poetry. You have bad taste. All right, I get it. It's a reel. हमारे पास वक्त भी कम है और attention spans भी. I get it. Let's go. Salam and hello. मेरा नाम है सरमद खुसट and I'm the new face of Lux Style Awards, of course. And I'm here to announce the winners of the 23rd Lux Style Awards. जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही सुना आपने. At Lux Style Awards, for over 2 decades, we have celebrated the bold, the beautiful, the brilliant, the storytellers, the dream weavers, the rhythm makers, seasoned and new, the pioneers and the rising stars. हम इस साल भी अपने ट्रेडिशन और स्पिरिट को कायम रखेंगे because the magic of recognition does not need a stage, just heart and the will and hard work to continue the legacy. और resources भी. Resources की बात नहीं करनी. क्यों? Inflation देखिए, it's crazy. All right, back on the track. I welcome you to a new chapter in the journey of Lux Style Awards. Join me as we honor excellence in film, television, fashion and music of 2023 starting right here tonight. Because style, like talent, always finds a way to shine.